Picture this: a country that builds robotic dogs faster than Boston Dynamics, and can also slow down electric vehicles, missile systems, and humanoid robots, all with the flick of a licensing pen. This is real, and it's happening right now. Welcome to Tech Insight Daily, your front row seat to the tech stories that shape our world. If you love connecting dots between tech, geopolitics, and innovation, hit that subscribe button, and let's go. In July 2025, two headlines dropped just days apart. First, China's brand new robot dog, the Black Panther II, stunned experts by beating Boston Dynamics WildCat in a live speed test. Second, US President Trump finalized a trade deal with China, easing rare earth mineral restrictions for 6 months in exchange for student visa reforms and tariff delays. These may seem unrelated, but they're not. Because whether you're building a sprinting robot dog or a next-gen fighter jet, there's one thing you absolutely need: rare earth elements. Let's talk about rare earth elements, with names like neodymium, dysprosium, and praseodymium. They sound obscure, but they're inside the tech we rely on. Your electric vehicle's motor uses neodymium magnets. The stabilization system in the F-35 fighter jet, packed with heavy rare earths, industrial humanoid robots, precision sensors, laser rangefinders, all powered by rare earths. These minerals are like the yeast in bread. You don't need much, but without it, nothing rises, the tech doesn't move, and here's the kicker: China processes over 90% of the world's supply. This control gives China tremendous leverage. Just last year, China paused some export licenses. And here's what happened. Ford had to temporarily shut down its Explorer plant in Chicago. Nissan and Suzuki faced weeks-long delays. Defense firms couldn't get enough materials for radar and missile components. And now, with 6-month export licenses, Beijing can effectively time-gate the global tech supply chain. Every 180 days, they decide who gets what, and how fast. Now let's go from minerals to machines. On July 7th, a young Shanghai startup named MirrorMe unleashed their newest creation, Black Panther II. This thing isn't just a cute robo-pup, it's a speed demon. In front of live cameras, it completed a 100-meter sprint in 13.17 seconds, hitting a top speed of 9.7 meters per second. That's faster than Boston Dynamics WildCat, and earlier tests clocked it at 10.9 meters per second, approaching Olympic human sprinting speeds. Speed isn't just about bragging rights. In the field, it means a search and rescue robot can cover more rubble faster. A military scout bot can zip into hostile zones and get out before it's targeted. In warehouses, logistics robots can boost productivity by double digits. Think of it like upgrading from a golf cart to a Tesla Plaid in a rescue mission. That difference could save lives. We don't have the full spec sheet, but MirrorMe claims Black Panther II is built with a fully domestic supply chain. That means the joints, sensors, and magnets, likely all Chinese sourced. The software and AI, built on local platforms. Translation: it's not just fast, it's independent. No reliance on US chips, no foreign magnets. That's the geopolitical part you're not hearing about on the news. This brings us back to the rare earth deal. Under the Trump-Xi agreement, China agreed to resume exports, but only temporarily. It's a trade-off. The US keeps tariffs high. China gets partial relief and better visa policies for its students. But here's the danger: 6-month licenses create a constant state of uncertainty. What happens next year, or if relations sour again? It's like building your factory on a ticking clock. To reduce this dependency, the US is scaling up fast. MP Materials is refining NdPr, neodymium praseodymium metals in Texas, in partnership with Saudi Arabia's Ma'aden. Australia is breaking ground on major rare earth plants set to open by 2026-2027. Europe is eyeing Greenland, Africa, and even deep-sea mining to diversify sources. But processing these minerals takes time, tech, and money. And China's already 2 decades ahead. Here's what to watch in the next 3-5 years. Tech companies redesigning products around what materials are available. More countries tightening export rules on not just rare earths but gallium, lithium, cobalt, and graphene. AI and robotics firms moving R&D to friendly nations to avoid material shocks. This is more than supply chains. It's a digital Cold War, fought through minerals and machines. So, what did we learn today? China's rare earth grip isn't just real, it's powerful. Black Panther II isn't just a fast robot, it's a symbol of what self-reliant tech can look like. And the battle for the future? It's not just about who builds faster, but who controls what's inside. Can the US break China's mineral monopoly? Will we see more nations using tech and trade as strategic weapons? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'll feature the best in the next video. If you love the deep dive, like and share it. And subscribe to Tech Insight Daily, where tech meets truth and the future gets real.
Welcome to Tech Insight Daily. Your support means the world to us. Help us grow by sharing and subscribing. No need for Patreon or buying us a coffee.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.